In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Ultra Gogeta Blue Unique Gauge. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Gogeta Blue has a unique gauge that you can use, so during battle, you will be able to use it as a counter. So, to charge this unique gauge, you will be hit by enemy arts, and this will charge the unique gauge by the opponent's strike, blast, or special move/art cards. Each hit will contribute to filling this gauge, so you will be able to see it displayed here, and you can use it to counter against enemy arts. So the main purpose of this gauge is to counter against enemy arts. When it is full, Ultra Gogeta Blue will automatically activate a counter against the opponent's blast arts and most ranged special move arts. So the counter will trigger when you have this bar or this trigger filled, and it is going to be useful against certain attacks. So right before the attack connects, it can be used, an animation will play out, and you will essentially deflect the attack while also giving them a hit. So just make sure that this is filled and you will be able to use this counter. You will be able to use it against many different attacks, although some attacks will still go through this gauge. It is important to research which attacks work and which attacks do not work, but as long as you use this gauge during battle, you will be able to counter. It is very simple to use, but it requires a lot of attention because you need to use it as soon as an opponent's attack is going to land towards you. And if you are able to react by using this unique gauge, you will be able to deflect this attack and get a hit in. So just make sure that you pay attention to your opponent's animations. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Ultra Gogeta Blue Unique Gauge. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.